Hey everybody, welcome to the first episode of 5-Minute Yoga Lab. I'm Eric, and we're doing these episodes from the Peace Out Yoga Studio here in Hamburg. I want to share with you an idea for opening up the shoulders, the upper back, but also when we're reaching our arms over our head, what might be happening with some people is that they're not able to straighten the elbows out. So that becomes important when we're starting to do yoga postures like downward facing dog and handstand. So I want to give you an idea here today. There's 3 basic muscle areas I want to work on here. So the first one we're going to talk about today, and I'll talk about the others in the following short videos, is the rhomboids in the back. So these are between the shoulder blades, minor and major rhomboid. These can get tight, especially when we're doing things like sitting at the computer a lot and we're not taking breaks. So I want to offer something that will help to open up and create some space in that area between the shoulder blades so that your shoulder blades can move more freely to help straighten out the elbow. So the first one is taking your right elbow up, bending it 90 degrees, palm towards the left side, and then take the left elbow up, left palm towards the right, elbow bent 90 degrees. Right? So you might want to first try it with a block and take the block in between your elbows. Yeah, and then squeeze the block between your elbows, palms towards each other, and just see how that feels and breathe into the space between your shoulder blades. If you can do it for 30 seconds to a minute, great. But whatever time without pain, right? We want to do anything without harm to the body. Next, if you're okay with that, then maybe you want to try it without the block. So you'll take your 2 elbows together, bring your palms together, and bring your elbows as high as your shoulders and just press the palms and elbows slightly together and then focusing on the breath between the shoulder blades. And if that works out pretty well for you then, eventually, then you can maybe take the right elbow up. And now we're going to slide the left elbow underneath the right and then bring the palms together with the thumbs facing towards your head. Okay? And then just gently pressing your arms towards each other, elbows as high as your shoulders. And just taking a few breaths here, maybe for 30 seconds to a minute. Breathing in between the shoulder blades, yeah, and the back ribs. And you'll do the same on the other side. So the left elbow will come up, right elbow underneath, palms together. And then that's a nice way to open up the rhomboids. Another one that you can do, which is one of my personal favorites here, is when you're coming into all fours position on your mat. And it's similar to a posture you might have heard of called cat-cow in yoga. Except in this version here, yeah, we keep the arms straight. We keep the elbows right underneath the shoulders, wrists under the elbows. And from here, to work on the rhomboids, I'm going to slowly let my chest sink towards the floor, but without bending my elbows at all. And then I'm going to push my hands into the floor and feel that nice spread across the upper back where my shoulder blades are spreading more. Okay, then I'm going to do it again. I'm going to let my shoulder blades come together towards the spine, chest towards the floor. And then I'm going to press my hands into the floor. And you notice I'm not overly arching my upper back here. And I'm going to just do that a few times. And again, this is a great movement that you can do anywhere. Yeah, to help bring some relief towards the space between your shoulder blades, the rhomboids, which is a part that is important to open up when we're going to consider trying to straighten the arms up overhead in Urdhva Hastasana. So that's the tip for today. Hopefully it helps you guys. Try it out. Give me some comments if you want, and we'll talk to you soon again. Peace out.